Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can control your call setting, how you can control your calls options on your Signal app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to install the Signal, and after that, what we have to do we need to go to the settings icon. As you can see, has a settings icon, and after going to the settings icon, you'll be able to get the calls option here. So we need to go to the calls option, and after going to the calls option, as you can see, the calling enable incoming call. If you want to enable the incoming calls, you can also do that. If you want to disable it and take it, you can also do that. It's up to you. Playing call sounds and the videos, integrated webcam and the communication microphone array and the as you can see, these all options are provided here. If you want to make them change, you can also do that. As you can see, these all are provided here. You can change these options as well. Always relay calls, it's up to you. And after making these all settings, your call will work accordingly. So in this way, you can make your call settings on Signal desktop app. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.